The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar in every practical sense explicitly is areas of strength for truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 66 cents, which generally especially is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is floating at $2,267,494, reasonably certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo down roughly 0.33% inside the sort of absolute most recent 24 hours, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. 31 July 2023. In this video, we will sort of truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly, by and large sought clarification on pressing issues facts. What in a real sense for the most part is extremely transient cost expectation for Nexo, in a real sense fundamentally is Nexo a sort of wise interest in a fundamentally certainly huge manner in a significant manner. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Or so they in a real sense thought. Yet prior to plunging reasonably exceptionally profound into the Nexo specialized examination, essentially generally let us fundamentally explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations, showing that the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar sort of in every practical sense is actually certainly areas of strength for certainly a fundamentally significant way, which for the most part is very critical. Market examination over the quite last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part truly whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560, reasonably truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Or so they thought. The very complete exchanging volume essentially sort of stands at $30,011,818,165 in an especially significant manner in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, which in every way that really matters, explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, which generally for the most part is genuinely critical, in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of really, has seen a value diminishing of 0.83%. Coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period, which explicitly for the most part is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the very by and large local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere near 2.36 and presently exchanging at 70 cents, showing that XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, certainly sort of is somewhere around 2.36 and as of now exchanging at 70 cents, which in every practical sense, for the most part is genuinely huge amazingly. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of in every way that really matters, significant way. These occasions most certainly especially demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a descending course for genuinely present moment, or so they fundamentally thought. Or so they thought. As of now, a by and large essentially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense, especially are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, certainly distinguish kind of sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which especially shows that Nexo down roughly 0.33% inside the especially all things considered, most recent 24 hours, pretty truly in spite of mainstream thinking, which generally is genuinely huge. Support vary is a level at which purchasers entirely become commonly significantly more kind of dynamic and generally in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. quite all goals and purposes in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition fundamentally basically is a level at which vendors truly become move actually most certainly dynamic and sort of especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Following actually by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution, the actually for the most part current Nexo value. Sort of for the most part is 66 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,267,494 in the very beyond 24 hours, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, Nexo essentially certainly is somewhere near 0.33% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $368,875,722 United States dollars in a really significant manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 31 July 2023, Insight and in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, which especially basically shows that market investigation over the very fundamentally last 24 hours, there in a real sense for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the all things considered, in every way that really matters, whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560, or so they in a real sense thought, in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving actually especially normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty commonly basic moving outrageously normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA to explicitly break down the future development of the Nexo, which basically is very huge, which is genuinely critical. The Nexo especially essentially has sort of break all its particularly fundamentally upholds levels, and things truly are not looking truly sort of really great for the crypto market, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum entirely has a predominance of 16.33% in every practical sense, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they especially thought. Presently, for the most part fundamentally bears basically certainly are in charge of the market and effectively generally truly take Nexo cost underneath the vital help level of 82 cents, exhibiting how the Nexo actually for the most part has truly generally break all its by and large backings levels and things by and large are not looking commonly excellent for the crypto market, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Pretty by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking in a very enormous manner. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 44 and truly is attempting to especially break out of the nonpartisanship zone. So XRP, the actually fundamentally local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 2.36 and at present exchange